Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iPhone 6 Plus smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change date and time in your phone iPhone 6 Plus. First of all, go to settings of your phone here, then go to general, then go to date and time, and here turn off set automatically so that you can change date and time manually. Click on date here, you can change date here. Here you can change date, then here you can change timing. Okay, so the adjusted time will now appear. Okay, go to home page and see here. If you would like to change date and time automatically, you go to turn on this button so that set and time will be set automatically. If you would like to use 24-hour format, use this button. Okay, so 24-hour format will be applied. See here, 24-hour format means up to 21, 22, 23, 24 will apply. Okay, railway timing will be followed. See, so now time displayed 16:11 p.m. 16:11. Okay, if you want to use only 12-hour format, turn off this button. See here, now timing will be displayed 4:12. Okay, 4:12 p.m. Okay, so in this way you can easily change date and time in your phone iPhone 6 Plus. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.